It's 10:30, and the family of 7 warthogs are still in bed.
Getting them out of their den first thing can be quite time-consuming, should we say. Come on then, guys! Some are early risers. Piggies, come on! Others aren't. Come on then! Come on then, Piggies!
Father of 5, Magnum, is the laziest of them all.
Piggies! Magnum isn't an early riser. The youngsters are excited to have the breakfast and are keen to come out, but Magnum is quite Sunday morning attitude. So. If he can, he'll spend most of his day relaxing in his MudWallow, sleeping.
With large tusks and warty faces, the hogs are not natural pin-ups.
I think a lot of people would describe warthogs as ugly pigs. I don't really find them ugly. I think they're all nice in their different ways, especially Magnum. In his younger days was a very attractive warthog.
10-year-old Magnum has fathered 4 litters in as many years, and 2 of his sons are proving to be quite a handful.
Dobby and Neville are the 2 young boys in the group. They are quite mischievous and naughty. They're a dangerous duo, really. Usually if trouble's going on, they're not that far behind. They're growing up. The young males in the group, they will test their parents. They want to see what they can get away with, egging each other on, really.
In the wild, adult male warthogs live alone and don't help rear the kids. But here, the family all live together, so Magnum can't shirk his responsibilities. To add to his burden, Mum Tamzin is pregnant again, and she needs peace and quiet.
Any disturbance can spook Tamzin. Making her feel like she's being threatened can result in the piglets not being raised by Tamzin, or even worse, kill them. I do worry about that.
Magnum may need to buck his ideas up.
Right, Luna.
In the warthog field, the older children are still misbehaving. And Mum Tamzin's flat out with the little ones. But rather than attempt to control his offspring, it seems Magnum has decided to look out for himself instead.
Magnum put his foot down around food. He wants first pick. He'll take all the good stuff and leave all the broccoli for everybody else.
And after breakfast, Magnum can go back to doing what he does best.